show you guys what the hell this weather is. Good morning. Excuse the raspy voice. The weather. Oh, I'm sorry. What season are we actually in? Because what is this? Like, no. It is properly snowing right now. I don't even know what to say. Saturday. This weather. Disgusting outside. Disgusting. And here we have the breakfast. It is the shittiest weather on this planet outside today. But I'll still put on sunscreen. And if you hear like sun in the background, it's the sky. Drinking water. Water my hair. I didn't put any product in it. It's currently 0 degrees and it's snowing in every direction possible. Are we in March? Yes, we are. We're actually in the middle of the month. Honestly, all I want is to lay on a beach and soak in some effing sun. I feel like every day is the same. Every single day looks exactly the same. So I just feel like today, let's just at least try what we can. Regardless of this weather. I've also been using a new like eyebrow pencil situation. It is from, who knows, Stroke of Genius. I didn't think that that's the brand. If you don't know about Normal, if you're outside of Scandinavia, I suppose, you probably don't know about Normal, but anyways, Normal is like one of the best stores ever. It just has everything that you can possibly need for a really cheap price. I'm not really sure what the concept, like the start of this brand was, but I love it. Seriously though, like life is so expensive. Like every time I get my salary, I feel like it just goes right back out. Like it comes in and it's like swoosh, buy it, it's out. Like I didn't even see it. Like where'd the money go? I want to make some changes this year, which means I should not be spending my money just going places every time. I can't, even though I really want to. Like I really want to. Like catch me on a flight somewhere, a robot, and just I need some. Like I swear to God, I need to just put this right there so you guys can see what in the world is happening out there. Like that should not be okay. I mean, I'm going outside into that. Oh my God. Weather like this that you don't really spend money because like you are not gonna be outside for too long, and that's that. Finished. Very simple. Very boring. Altså, det her må jo være tull. Green on green.
smakt den hvite. Og så var den veldig tjukk.
Honestly, here is looking, the weather outside is just not a joke. Like, the way that our hair was just poofy when I left, I wore a hat. Like, it's not even a joke. I'm just gonna show you guys how bad this weather is. Let me tell you, it's March. Like, is it spring or is it winter? Like what? Let me tell you, it's Easter next week. Somewhat, in 2 weeks. I got us some serious amounts of paper towels. If you don't know, and if you haven't seen from the beginning of this vlog, my sister has a dog. It's a German Shepherd, and that boy has a lot of fur, and it's everywhere. And especially this season, like it's in between spring and winter, it's winter and spring. It leaves a lot of dirt in the house, so paper towel, good. So this was fairly cheap and a lot. Got some more vacuum bags, some chocolate. These are really cheap from the store. Some trash bags, and eat the vibes because it's about to be Easter, and I want to like put this out next week. And then just some bananas, cucumber, hot dogs. Even though I don't really eat meat like that, I just sometimes crave these hot dogs. So that's it. Do think I'm gonna clean a little bit because the floor looks really disgusting. These flowers are about to die and they've spread everywhere on the table. It's looking shitty outside, and also the bathroom is really dirty because, once again, a dog. Just literally vacuumed the whole apartment, put on a laundry, and I really just did a whole like, let me just clean. Yeah, also clean the whole freaking, I'm gonna keep the music on, but I'm gonna clean the kitchen. Actually really early, it's 5 but I didn't really eat a proper lunch today, so not on purpose, I just wasn't really feeling it. I had like something but not that much, so I just put together mashed potatoes. I made it, and like cooked some carrots in the pan with some spice and sausage or hot dogs. Honestly, I low-key love hot dogs, even though I don't really eat meat like that, but hot dogs is my exception. I don't even think that's a thing, but I just really like hot dogs, and this is like a simple meal. Make some sparkly water. So I'm just gonna enjoy this, and it's, as I said, 5 o'clock, which is fairly early, which is really nice. Good morning. In case you can't see, I'm going to the gym. We are seeing a different type of weather today. It's actually sunshine, but I don't know if you can see, the snow is freaking laying. Like, I thought we were over this. I thought we were past this. I thought we were done with winter. I was lied to. made it to the parents' house. Well, my dad's house. So my dad and my stepmom have this amazing coffee machine and steamer, which looks like the one that you see whenever you go to purchase a coffee at the cafe. I love a to-go coffee. I don't know if it's the to-go part or just someone else making my coffee, but I love it. It's so good. So they have one of those machines here, and he's teaching me how to actually use this because I'm not really good at it. Usually when I get here, he makes it for me or someone else makes a coffee, but you know, I'm grown. I need to handle this. This is a double shot, and I'm using oat milk as well. The steaming part is probably what I find to be the most difficult part. But yeah, some things I just prefer someone else to make for me, and I think coffee is one of them, unless I do the simple version, which is a capsule at home in our espresso machine, or I make like filter coffee, which basically means just having the coffee in the filter and then taking hot water above it. So, but yeah, it turned out pretty good. I do still want someone else to make it for me, if possible.